Day 209 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. This time we're at day 209, y'all. It's the day after Thanksgiving, so I hope y'all ate good yesterday. I hope y'all were enjoying yourselves, and I hope y'all are ready to get back to work because we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot more LeetCode problems to do, and we have a lot more discipline and consistency to achieve in order to accomplish the goals that we're trying to accomplish, y'all. So before we get started today, y'all, if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check that link out in the description and go ahead and get you some. Then after that, go ahead. I want you to bring a mouse, 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 bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. And then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. And then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. As Swift community members, it's up to us to help the community to grow. And one way we can do that is to push this content out to as many people as we can find that will watch it, y'all. So your support is appreciated when it comes to that. Now, with all of that being said, y'all, I know why you're here. So let's get into the question. And today we have question number 49, group anagrams. The difficulty level is medium, but don't worry, we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand because we're all on different levels of our programming journey, and we want the solution to be understandable for everybody. Excuse me, y'all. We want the solution to be understandable for everybody, no matter where you are on your programming journey. If you don't understand the solution at the end of this video, then I probably did something wrong, and that is not what we want, y'all. So let's get into the question, see what it says. Question says, given an array of strings, STRs, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, let's see what an anagram is. It says an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so let's see. We want to group all of the anagrams, so let's look at example 1. In example 1, we have the input STRs equals an array of strings. We have eat, tea, tan, ate, nat, and dat. The output is also an array of strings, a 2D array of strings. First array is bat, second array contains nat and tan, and the third array contains ate, eat, and tea. So let's look at the explanation so we can see what they want us to do, right? Explanation says there is no string in STRs that can be arranged to form bat. So boom, we put bat right here. Then it says the strings nat and tan are arranged as they can be arranged to form each other. So we have tan right here, nat right here. We can rearrange the letters in each of these words, meaning it's an anagram. So we're going to group them together in this array right here. Boom. Then the third, let's see what this says. It says the strings ate, eat, and tea are anagrams as they can be rearranged to form each other. So we have ate right here, we have tea right here, and we have eat right here. If you take these 3 words, you can rearrange ate. You can rearrange ate into to be eat, and you can also rearrange eat to be tea, and vice versa. You could rearrange tea to be eat or ate, or you could also rearrange ate to be tea. You know what I'm saying? All of these 3 words contain exactly 3 letters, and they contain the same 3 letters. Only difference is the order of those 3 letters. That's what makes them an anagram, and that's why we group them all together like this. We group all the anagrams together. Same thing right here. All of these two words contain the same 3 letters. They're just in different order. So that makes them an anagram as well. And we want to group all of the anagrams together. That's why we have bat by itself, because there is no other anagram or there is no other word in this input that we can rearrange to give us bat. But nat and tan, we can rearrange those 2 to give us nat or tan. And ate, eat, and tea, we can rearrange the letters to give us either one of these words, ate, eat, or tea. So that's what an anagram is. That's what the question asks. They just want us to group all of the anagrams together. Let's look at example 2 in case they try to throw some tricks our way. Example 2, we have str equals a blank string. We will return a 2D array of a blank string. and then str in example 3, the strs equals a string A, and then the output will be a 2D array of the string A. So it's not that difficult to understand the question. I hope y'all get it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now that we understand the question, let's get into the code. And the code is definitely not that difficult, and it's not that long either, y'all. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to declare a variable called dict. We're going to set that equal to an array of strings. We're going to say, a dictionary with the key being a string, and the value is going to be a string as well, or an array of strings. The value is going to be an array of strings. The key is going to be a string, value going to be an array of strings. We're going to initialize it like that. We're going to come down here, we're going to say for str and strs, open up the brackets, we're going to say let sorted str equal string, open up the parentheses, str dot sorted. So what this is going to do is it's going to take the word from str, or it's going to take the word from strs, and it's going to sort it in alphabetical order, right? So it's going to do that for every word, which will allow us to see which words contain the same letters. Then we're just going to come down here, and we are going to say dict square brackets sorted str that we just created right here. Then we're going to say comma default is going to be a blank array. Then we're going to come over here. Oh, excuse me, y'all. This should be a square bracket, not the other bracket. So it should be like that. Then we're going to come over here. We're just going to append every str to the blank array that we created and the value. So this is going to append the str into this right here for every sorted, right? So for every sorted str, it's going to append the str. Then we're going to come down here, and we are going to say return array, open up the parentheses, dict that values, because remember, we want to return this array. That's the value. This is the value. This is the key. This is the value. We want to return the value where every time we see sort, we're going to sort the str to be alphabetical. Every time we see this str, we are going to, that's sorted the same way, we are going to append that str to this blank array right here, and then we're going to return an array of the dict values. And remember, this blank array that we had appended these words to, these str to, is going to be the values. So let's run it. See how it runs. Ooh, we got an error. What does it say? It says error, expected member name following. Let me see. No exact. Let me see, y'all. My bad, y'all. What's going on here? Append. Oh, should not be a period right there. Sorry, y'all. Let's run it again. Oh, okay. Now what did this say? Let str equals string. What's going on, y'all? I don't know what's going on. Oh, this should have we gotta put parentheses after sorted. My bad, y'all. My bad. Those were mistakes that should have been easily missed, but y'all know how this programming journey goes. You never know. You never move too fast. Just stay patient, and so you don't make these errors that do not need to be made. But look at that, y'all. It's accepted. So let's run it. Let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted. Let's see. And look at that, y'all. 15 milliseconds beats 57.41% of users with Swift, y'all. That's not too bad at all. Don't worry about the numbers right now. We're just trying to get the solution done. We're trying to learn how to answer these problems, and I feel like this is a good solution. easy to understand solution no matter what level of your programming journey you are on. So we're not going to worry about the time too much. We'll start worrying about the times as we get further down our LeetCode journey. However, that concludes our lesson for today. I hope y'all learned something, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.